I've always wanted to do real estate since I was a little girl. That was one of my goals. Get my license, be a realtor, and start helping out families in buying homes. Within my first year of being licensed, I was able to help 4 families purchase a home. I really didn't know anything about real estate when I started, and now I have a team. I love it. Here at Citrus College, they also prepare you not just to pass the test, but for the real world. What you're gonna encounter being out there as a realtor, to adapt. Being in real estate has been able to provide for my family, and it actually has gave us the opportunity to purchase our home. This program was free for me because I was able to qualify for assistance here at Citrus College. I haven't found any other program that offers such high quality at such a low cost. For someone that's looking into getting into real estate, that is driven and wants to have success, take your courses at Citrus College. It's gonna prepare you to have that success in the future. Hi, my name is Vanessa Aguirre with GVA Real Estate, powered by eXp Realty. I am a mom of 3, a wife, and your realtor.